Getting started with the Neural Network Console. In this video, you will learn how to download and get started with the Neural Network Console for Windows. Step 1. Preparation. To do this, you will need 5 GB of free hard disk space, Windows 8.1 or Windows 10. If you're using CUDA-enabled NVIDIA GPU, you can set it up for better performance. Go to dl.sony.com/app and register your email address. When you're done, click I agree and send, and you will receive an email. Go to your email account and open the mail from Neural Network Console. Click Download the Windows app and unzip it. Downloading and extracting this file might take up to 50 minutes. Step 2. Open the folder. Open the folder and click Neural Network Console application. Select Run. As an optional third step, set up CUDA-enabled GPU usage. Click Setup icon. Select the Engine tab and click GPU. Click Apply. That's the end of this tutorial. Do you want to learn how to use sample projects? Watch our next video.